Okay, can you all see the screen, all of you? The students, can you all see the screen? Yes. Okay, Joanna, Cherisha, did you all try these questions? Homework question, did you all do it? Joanna and Cherisha. Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening, Cherisha. Yeah. But where is the homework? I all didn't send. See, from day one, so yesterday we started. Yeah, attend regularly, complete your homeworks. Hardly one or two questions, right? Okay, we have to start from the fourth one or fifth one. Tell me quickly how many questions we completed. Fourth one, sir. Fourth one. Okay, fourth question. Yeah, in fourth question, Mr. Richard has a recurring deposit RD account in a bank for 3 years. So time is equal to what's the time? 3 years, right? Mute the call. Deshri, is anyone traveling? Mute the call. See, time is equals to 3 years, but we don't use T here. Instead of T, we use N. What is N? How do you convert? 3 into 12. That is 36. Yes, we need N. N is equals to 36. And rate. Rate is equals to 7.5%. That you can keep it as 75 by 10%. Per annum simple interest. If he gets interest is given. What is the interest? 8,325 at the time of maturity. Okay, if he gets 8,325 as interest. So this 8,325 is not the total maturity value. It is interest paid. Interest he gets. Okay, so I is the interest. What about Adya? Did you go through the recording? Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening, Adya. Sir, today I concentrated in class and I understood the concepts, sir, so I can solve the questions. Fine. From fourth question onwards, you can start. This is fourth one. So interest is given, students. Interest is given time. You have to find monthly deposit. What is monthly deposit? What are the two things you have to find? Principal and principals. And what? Principal and maturity value. Okay, if you want to find principal, first interest is given. So use interest formula. Lemula, what question did you do yesterday? Which one was that? Sir, done the third. You're still doing this 8th standard kind of question. Simple linear equation. When time is given, you have to convert it into number of months, right? Yes, sir. You're still doing this 8th standard topic. Why, what's wrong with you? Why, Lemula, you didn't understand yesterday? I understood, sir. I thought like after finding the principal only we should what do you mean by that after finding? Is this the way you do it? Interest is 600. Is interest 600? Hmm? What is this? From which textbook you're solving the question? From which PDF? 9th or 10th? Which PDF, Lemula? Look at the time 2 1 by 2 and you've taken time as it is. Is this the way to do PTR by 100? Sure. What were you doing yesterday when I was teaching? Look, this is your 8th standard topic, Lemula. PTR by 100. You're still using PTR by 100. We are using RD account, right? The formula is different. You're doing it like this. And how was the exam? How did you do? You're telling you've done well above 60, 70, but look at your formula, what you have written. Hmm? You're still doing the basic concept, you'll definitely get zero. Try this, students. Interest is equals to, what's the formula, Lamula? What's the formula? P into N bracket N plus 1 into R by 100 divided by 2 into R. P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. Tell me the formulas properly. 2 into 12. R by into R. 100. So P is not given. There is no separate formula for this. I is given. In place of I, substitute 8325 is equals to P into. Look, 10th standard students, it is not like your 8th or ninth. Once your board exam is done, that's it. Okay, you can't rectify that mistakes. So from the beginning, practice well. Learn all the properties, formulas well, and do it. Once you submit your board exam final paper, that's it. You can't rectify the mistakes. They won't give second chance. If your score is less, you won't get seat in good college. Okay, 36 into n plus 1. N plus 1 is 37 divided by 2 into 12 into R. What is R? 75 by 10 into 100. 7.5, I've written it as 75 by 100. So P is on right hand side, correct? Naomi, if P is on right hand side, shift all the values towards left. What are the denominators we have? What are the denominators, students? Right hand side, what are the denominators we have? Everything will move to the left hand side numerator. Is Naomi online? Yes, sir. Yeah, tell me, Naomi. 8325. So it will become 8,325 into 2 into 4 into 10 divided by 3. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. There is no 4 into 10, 2 into 12 into 10 into 100, right? Yes, sir. Or you started to reduce the value? Yes. Okay. Before reducing it, write it like this, students. Don't reduce it. First, write it like this. Keep P as it is. Bring down other numbers. 36 into 37 into 75. Now start solving. You'll get the value of P. P is the principal every month. Whatever you deposit every month, that's the principal. Only 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. 9. Adia, what about Ivania? Was she present today? So she was present, sir. Okay, but she didn't attend. Fine, just send her a message. Tell her to attend. Is Mariam online? Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Mariam. Why were you absent yesterday? Why you didn't attend? So I'd gone out, sir. Okay, repeatedly I've been sending message right from past 2-3 days that from Monday I'll start. What about this chapter? Did you attend? Did you go to school? Yes, sir. You know how to do banking? You know the formulas? Yes, sir. Okay, then start from this is the fourth question. Continue from the fourth one. If you have any doubts, I've uploaded the recording. I've sent the link in the group. After the class, you can check once. Yes, sir. What's the answer, students? After reducing, what did you get? See, 25 threes are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 nines are. Three threes are and your
Sir, I got some.
3 fours are. Yes, what's the answer?
Sir, I got 3,000.
Okay, 3000. After that, find MV, student, maturity value formula. P into N, principal into N plus interest. So when you divide 37, 8,325, 37 is a prime number. 37 ones, it goes 225 times. And you can use 3 ones are 3, 75. We are left with 75 into 4. P is equals to 75 into 4 is 150, 300. No, what are the numbers left? 75 into 4 into 2 into 10. Yes, Yusra, what's the answer you got?
Sir, I got 3,000.
3,000 or 6,000? 3,000, okay. How come each one getting different values?
Getting it at 6,000, sir.
Yes.
I'm getting it at 2,000. So even I got 2,000.
How come 2000? Wait, let me check. Depositing 3 years. For 3 years, 3 twos are 3 12s are 36. For 7.5, 75 divided by 10. Okay. 8325 as maturity as interest. He gets interest at time of maturity. Find the monthly deposit. 8325 into 2 into 12 is the formula value. 2 into 12, 10 into 100 divided by 36 into 37, 75. 25 threes are 25, fours are. Ones are 4, 9 times. Threes are 3, fours are 12. So we have these values left. 2 into 4. Okay, let me write it. 8325 into 2 into 4 into 10 divided by 3 into 37 into 3. Thirty-seven and this goes 25 times. 225. 37 ones are 225. Okay, in denominator we have 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. Okay, let me erase this. 3 threes are 9. 9 ones are 9. 25 times. So we are left with 25 into 2. P is equals to 25 into 2 into 4 into 10. This will give you the answer. So 2000 is the answer, students, not 3000 or 6000. 2000 is the answer. Just check once.
Okay.
Principal is 2000. I think you'll have gone wrong while reducing it. Who got 2000? Was it Mariana?
Sir, GST. So even I got 2000.
Okay, 2000 is
So
the
even I got 2000.
fine. Good. 2000. What about Joanna Adia? Okay, Ivania, when did you join Ivania?
Sir, few minutes ago, sir.
Okay, this is the fourth question. You should let me know, right? Naomi, what's the answer?
Yes, I was trying to switch my mic on.
Okay, fine, Ivania.
So
Right.
even I got 2000, sir.
2000. Principal is
Sir,
2000.
I got 2002, sir.
Okay, 2000. Then find the principal. Sorry, principal is this. You have to find maturity value, MV. Yeah, do it like this, students. Keep P on the right hand side. Left hand side you'll solve and you can switch the values. It's the same. P is equals to 2000. I'll erase all this, all these values. So we got P is equals to, or you can even reduce it and shift. However you'll do it, you should get P is as 2000. Maturity value is equals to P into N plus I. So 2000 into 36. What's the final answer? Is it 80,325?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
8325. All of you are done? 80,325 is the answer.
Same.
Okay. Which means every month 2000 students. You can try this. Every month 2000. You keep depositing it for how many months? Total how many months you have to deposit? 36 months. Yes, 36 months for 3 years. Every day you deposit. Whoever has bank account can try 2000, 36, and you have to make sure that rate is 7.5%. I think rate is 7.5, 6 or 7 they provide. Government provides 7.5, not government, bank provides 7.5%. At the end of third year, you will be having 8,325 with you. That is apart from whatever you invested, interest is the extra amount you're getting. 8,325 is the extra amount you get. Okay, try the fifth one. Fourth question, fifth question, what is given? Yeah, Yusra, read out the fifth one and tell me the data, Yusra. What are the data given?
Yes, sir. So the time is given.
Okay, time is equals to 2 years.
24.
Okay, time is 2 years. Therefore, n is equals to Lemula. If time is 2 years, n should be 2 into 12, 24 months. That is nothing but you have to write this value in the formula where n is equals to 24 men. Next, Yusra, what else is given? If the bank repays, if the bank
Rate is given.
okay, rate percentage. Whenever percentage is given, so that is always rate. Remember, 6% per annum. 6% is given, and monthly installment is 1,000. What is the 1,000?
Principal.
Okay, principal is 1,000. I think y'all can try this for homework. So it's a simple question. Principal is 1,000. Interest earned in 2 years. You have to find interest. Use the same formula. 1,000 into 24 into 25 into 6 by 100 divided by 2 into 12. So that 2 into 12 is nothing but 24. Fine. Complete this. Find the interest and maturity value. Complete this. 6, 7, 8,000. 24, 24 will get cancelled. Two zeros.
Done, sir.
Okay. It's a simple question. Complete this. Then later you can try the seventh one. Wait. Oh yeah. More recurring deposits 2,000 for 2 years. If he gets at the time, if he gets at the time of maturity. Okay. From sixth, it is important. Fifth one is easy.
Thanks, sir. That's
Completed. Okay, Lemula. What about you?
answer.
Which formula? Use this formula, right? Interest.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this was easy. Students will get interest 25 into 6. What's the interest you all got? Is it 1,500? Interest.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1,500 is the interest. Find the maturity value. That's it. Next. Sixth question. I'll read out the sixth one. What's his name? Ahmed as a RD account in the bank. He deposits 2,500. What is this 2,500, students? Every month 2,500. That is principal for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for 2 years. So N is equals to 2 into 12, 24 months.
24 months.
If he gets 66,250 at the time of maturity, what do you mean by at the time of maturity? Yesterday I told you all. Maturity value is nothing but amount, total amount, right? So that's the final amount he is getting. So what is this 66,250? What is that, student? That is maturity value, 66,250. Find the interest paid by the bank. We need to find the interest and the rate of interest, R. Fine. Here, whenever maturity value is given, remember that whenever maturity value is given, write that formula. What is MV formula? What is MV? P into N?
P into N plus I.
Okay, yes, P value is given, MV value is given, P value is given, right? N is also given. Through this formula, what can we find? Through this formula, we have to find I. Interest. Complete this. Once you find interest, use interest formula. That's it. Only two formulas in this chapter. It's an easy chapter. So using maturity value formula, you find interest. Use interest formula, you'll get rate. Complete this. And Naomi, interest I is on towards right hand side, right?
Yes.
Yes. So keep it on the right hand side, shift the value. 2,500 into 24. Multiply this 2,500. Shift it to the left hand side. You will get minus. Sixty thousand. Interest is equals to 66 minus 60 is 6,250. And one more thing, students, remember this: n into n plus 1. N is 24, the next number will be 25. You don't have to write 24 plus 1 again. Don't repeat it. Write 24 into 25, rate as it is, R by 100 divided by 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is 24. 24 and 24 will get cancelled. Keep R as it is. Shift all the numbers towards left hand side. 6250. 100 gets multiplied divided by 2500 into 25. 2500 into 24. 60,000. How much? 1%? 10%? 2 zeros gets cancelled. Yeah, 10%. Let me know. Yes, you are getting 25. See, 625, I'll write it as 6,250. I'll split it as 625 into 10. Denominator 25 into 25. 25 square is 625. They will get cancelled. R is equals to 10%. All of you all got 10%? Yeah, 625 goes 10 times. 6,250. R is 10. Completed. Shall we move on to the next question? All of you all done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, which one was this? Sixth one, right?
Yes, sir.
Sixth or seventh? Mr. Wood. Right. Seventh one. At the time of maturity. Okay, seventh one is for homework students. Same. Maturity value is given. Look here. At the time of maturity, seventh question, 67,250. Maturity value is 67,500. Use MV formula, you'll get the value of I. Then use I formula, you'll get the value of rate. Okay. Most probably, you'll get questions based on time to find N. Those are very important questions. Rate is also fine, but to find N, time period question is important. Eighth one. We'll move on to the eighth question. Mr. Thomas as a 4-year cumulative time deposit. Fine. All this is not required. 4 years. N is equals to 4 into 12. Next, what else is given? Read the question, all of you. What are the other values? Eighth question. We are solving the eighth one. Deposits. Principal is equals to
650. 650.
principal is 650. 40. 4 into 12. 48 months. So N is equals to 48. 650. If he receives 36,296 at the time of maturity, what is this amount, students? What is this 36? What value is this? Is it interest, MV, or P?
MB, sir.
MV.
MB is
Okay. Maturity value is the amount, and that will be the highest value. Look, principal is just 650. Interest also will be less, but maturity value will always be greater. At the time, find the total interest earned by Mr. Thomas, rate of interest. Same question. Fine, try the eighth one. Because here the number is difficult. Maturity value is 36,296. You can even skip the sixth one, seventh one while revising. You can revise the eighth one. So if MV is given, use MV formula. MV is equals to P into N. plus I. 36,296 is equals to 650. N is 48 plus I. Yes, Mariam, are you doing it? Mariam, Adia, are you solving the questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mariam, how was your final exam? How did you do it, Mariam? Ninth final exam?
Sir, which book?
How many marks you attempted?
Sir, above 60, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll see, students, because I was worried about Mariam, Joanna, Mariam, Lemula. See the results. This time, these students should score highest marks. Mariam, Joanna, Cherisha, and Naomi. Even Lemula. 36,296 minus. What's the answer for 650 into 48?
31,200, sir.
31,200. 31 or what did you all say? 31,200?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
31,200. So interest is equals to
5,096. 5,096.
okay 50. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 6 minus 1, 5. 220,906. Okay, interest. Then use interest formula and later you can find rate. Interest is equals to n is equals to 48. 48 into 48 plus 1, 49. 2 into 12, 24. 24, R is okay. R is what we have to find divided by 100. So keep R on the right hand side, shift all the other values. 5096 into 24 into 100 divided by 650 into 48 into 49. Yes, Naomi, there is 49 given, right? In the denominator, we have 49.
Yes, sir.
So which time table can we reduce for 49? 49 is a perfect square, right? 7 times table?
7, sir.
Yes, 7 sevens are 49. Use 7 times table here. 5096. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 7 eights are 56. 728. And again use this 7. Use 7 times table and reduce 728. You'll get 104. 7 ones are 7. Fine. These are the values. Okay. These are the values. 1 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones, 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 ones are 5 13s are. So we are left with 104 divided by 13. How many times 113 goes in 104? 8 threes are 24. 8 times, right? R is equal to 8%. Yes. All of you are completed. R is equals to 8%.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Fine, Aditya. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Ninth question. All of you done. Eighth one completed, right? Okay, ninth question. Yeah, Mariam, read out the ninth one. Tell me the data is given.
Yes, sir. Tanvi has a recurring deposit account in a finance company for 1.5 years at 9% per annum. If she gets 15,426 at the time of maturity, how much per month has she invested by her?
Okay, how much per month has been invested? Fine. Now tell me the data. What are the data given? Year is given, right? T is equals to
Yes, sir.
1 by 2. How much is 1 by 2?
Yes, sir. 3/2.
Fine. If you want to find n, what do we do, students? If you want to find n, take 3 by 2 and multiply by what?
12, sir.
12. It's the same concept. Okay, even previously we did the same thing for 2 years, 3 years. Just multiply by 12. 2 ones are 2 6, 6 threes are 18. N is equals to 18 months. Okay, next rate is given. R is equals to 9%. Wait, don't solve this. If she gets at the time of maturity, find how much per month has been invested. Okay, you can skip the other question. Whatever I told you to solve for homework, skip the other one. Try the ninth one for homework. What are we supposed to find here? What are we supposed to find? Yes, rate is given. MV. I'll just explain this. You can do it for homework. Maturity value is 15,426. If MV is given, no, it's a tough question. We'll do it. So we have N 18, rate is given, MV is given. What about interest? Is interest being mentioned there? All of you will read the question. Interest principal. No?
Yes, sir.
Where is interest given? Ninth question.
9%, sir.
That is rate. Interest. I'm talking about interest.
No, sir. Sorry.
No, right? Okay. Percentage, concentrate student. Percentage is always in rate. Okay. Rate will always be in percentage. See, ninth is a very important question. What are the two things missing here? What are the two things missing? Interest and principal. Interest and principal is missing, right? Okay. Is Adi online? Adi, are you back? Interest and principal is missing. What we do? What are the two main formulas we use, students? What are the two main formulas? Maturity value and interest. Okay, now write the formula. What is maturity value formula? What is MV? P into
N plus I.
P into N plus I. Next, what is I formula? P into N into N plus 1. Concentrate all of you all. This is tough question, important one. R divided by 100, 2 into 12. Yes. Now, for the first equation, let me take the first equation. MV. MV is equals to P into N. What is MV given? What is the value of MV maturity value? 15,426 is equals to, principal is not given. Keep P as it is. Don't take it as X or 100. Keep P as it is into N. What is N, students? What is N? Number of men? 18. 18 plus I. So usually we'll have only one unknown variable, but here we have two unknown variables. What are the two unknown variables? P and I. Right? Next, what you do, take the second formula. Keep the first formula as it is, first equation. Take the second equation. I is equals to P into 36 into 37 divided by 2 into 12. I'll write it as 24 into rate is equals to 9 divided by 100. From this, I want you all to find the value of I, students. Find the value of I from this. Reduce everything. What do you get? 2 into 24. Sorry, 2 into 12, right? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Yes, Adya, this is the ninth question. Look, in ninth question, two values are missing. Interest and principal is missing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write both the formulas. Look, I've written both the formulas. Can you see the first formula, maturity value?
Yes, sir.
In that P and I is missing. In second formula, same P and I is missing. Find the value of I, students. All of you will find the value of I. 12 ones are 12 threes are. What do you get? I is equals to. No, why did I take 36? It's wrong. Why did I take N as 36? What is N value, students? I made a mistake here. What is N?
18, sir.
So it is 18 into 19. Yes, I have made a mistake. 18 into 19. P into N plus 1. 2 ones are 2 nines. 3 fours are 3 threes are. So denominator will have 400. Numerator you'll have 3 into 19 into 9. 9 threes are 27. 27 into 19. 9 sevens are 63. Are we getting 513p? What's the value of I students? All of you got 513p divided by 400, or is it different? 9 3 is 27. Yes, completed till here. Now we have the value of I. Okay, this I have to substitute in the first equation. If all of you have done till here, I'll erase it. Completed till this part. Shall I erase this interest? Yes. Okay, I'll keep this below. Okay, I'll keep it here. You can copy it later. So we got I value. See, 14152,426 is equals to P into 18 is nothing but 18P. Let's substitute the value of I. 513P divided by 400. Is it clear? Did you all understand this? All of you? Or any doubts? No. Yeah, now take LCM. Right hand side, take LCM students. 400. So you have to multiply this into 400. Take LCM. 18 into 400. From 1 to 8, all the questions are easy. Ninth one is tough. You have to use both the equations. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 7200p plus 513p. Now this 400 will get multiplied here. 15426 into 400 is equals to 7713p. Keep p as it is. Bring down this 7713. Reduce it, you'll get the answer. Very important student. Most probably you'll get the same question for your test and for final exam, board exam. You'll get question like this, ninth one. Even if you skip 1 to 8, you don't revise, no problem. Those are easy questions. You'll get this question for board exam. And which year is ninth question? Okay, they haven't mentioned the year there, but there are chances of giving this question. So divide this 7713. When you reduce it, you'll get the value of P. P is equals to 800. Principal is 800. Okay, we found principal. What about interest? Where will you substitute this P? Where should you substitute? Where you have I, right? I is equals to 513 into 800 divided by 400. 4 ones are 4 twos are. What is interest, students? Interest is equals to 1026. So once you find principal, you can reduce it later. You'll get 800. Okay. 9th one, 10th one. Lemula, Naomi, did you all understand? Joanna, Cherisha, Mariam,
Yes.
Mariana,
Yes.
Tanushka, is all of you all got this question? Okay, so look at the question, students. In the beginning, when you go through interest principle, if two values are missing, fine, if any two values are missing, use both the formulas. Don't get confused. Don't take P as X. How did ma'am do? Did ma'am take P as X, 100, or she just kept it as P? Yes, Tanishka, who's our class? Ma'am completed.
So ma'am still didn't start this.
Start this. Okay, fine. If they take 100x, it's still the same story. It would be difficult for us to understand. Better keep it as P and do it. Whatever value is missing, look, I just kept P as it is, I as it is, and solve the question. Okay. Later I'll upload. If you have any doubt, just go through the specific question. You can try it. What's the name? Poonam opened a recurring deposit in Bangalore for 2.5 years. Okay, find the 10th one for homework. Try the 10th question for homework. Is it clear, all of you all? 11th one is different. 10th one is similar to this. I guess 10th one is similar. Will you all try the 10th one, all of you all? 10th question?
Yes. So
Yeah.
should we even try the seventh question?
No, you can skip those. No, 7th and 10th. Yes, try 7th question and 10th question. Two questions for homework. In that 10th is very important. 10th one is similar to the 9th question. Okay, 10th is similar to 9th. Try the 10th question. I want all of you to send it, students. 10th is very important. Similar to 9th. Do it and send it. Fine. That's it for today. You all can leave. Log in at 5 o'clock tomorrow.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes, bye, students. All can leave. Yes.
Good evening.